Alright guys, welcome back. Just a really quick video. I want to show you guys the newest product release on GFXCOMET.com. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off this and drag this into the starter GUI, and as you can see, this is the interface. This is called the Cartoon Simulator UI kit, and as you can see, there is about 25 frames in total. Actually more if you count some frames inside have multiple sections, so that could count as above 25. But right here is the main HUD. On the left side we have two currency panels. We have coins and gems. The icon you can change, obviously. So we have coins and gems, and over here we have the HUD buttons. Right over here, as you can see. And on the right side we have a profile. It shows your level, your rank, and it has your EXP. Here we have a shop button. It's placed here so it stands out. Let's take a look at some of the frames. So here is the achievements. This is pretty cool. It has the title, difficulty, progress, and a tier progression bar as well. It has the requirements and the reward right here. Here we have a boss battle. So if your game has a local or regional boss battle, this would be the menu that displays the information. Let's check out the inventory. This right here is a massive frame. You have equip, best, delete, and level up. You can obviously remove and change anything you want. We have a very nice tooltip. Let's check out the trade viewer. This would be your view right here, and this would be the other players trade. Player, the username, if they are verified, trade, and their avatar would go right there. That is the trade. So if you guys would like to check out this product, link is going to be down below, or you can just head over to gfxcomet.com. And here is the product, as you can see. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. And that's going to be it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to see you guys next time.